Very good morning, all of you. This is our fifth class on units and measurement. Uh, this video we are sharing on behalf of Ambition Vedic classes for education purposes only. In previous class, we have seen how to measure length and what are the different ways in which these lengths and distances are measured. In this class, we will see there is something called accuracy, precision, and error. During the measurement, when do we call the measurement to be very accurate, when we call the measurement or values to be precise, and what is an error? First of all, we'll see to all those things, and then we'll look into different types of errors. So first of all, what is an accuracy? Accuracy word you would have heard from at many places, even in your numericals or when you are measuring length. So what does accuracy mean? Basically, accuracy is nothing but the measure of degree of closeness of the calculated values and the actual values. Okay, so for example, let's say you have a you have a pen, then the length of a pen is given that it is 7 centimeter. A very good example. The length of a pen is given that 7 centimeter already on the packet, and then we take out a pen and we try to measure the length using scale. We see that it is only 6.8 centimeter or maybe 6.9 centimeter. So on the packet it is written that it is 7 centimeter, but when we measured it using a scale in our hand, we found out the length of the pen is how much? It is 6.8 centimeter. So there is a difference of 0.2 centimeters actually, but the value is very close to what it is written on the packet. So as you can see here, degree of the closeness, that means the values that we have calculated, the lengths that we have measured, is how close to the actual value. Okay, so like I said, it is on packet, it is written that 7 centimeter. So if we consider 7 centimeter as an actual value, then using scale we calculated it to be a 6.8 centimeter. Okay, so that is what is accuracy, how close we are to the actual value, to the real value, what exactly the length of the pen is known as its accuracy. Again, we can see an example. So let's say we have this marker or maybe a pencil that whose length we are trying to measure using a scale, metric scale, that we have studied in previous classes. So let's say using the metric scale we are trying to measure the length of a pencil, but it is already told to us that the length of the pencil is 5.5 centimeter. Okay, so already many people have measured and they found out that the length of a pen is 5.5 centimeter. Fine, but when we tried to measure it with the help of a scale, okay, we measured the length of the pencil ourselves, and the measured length of the pencil we obtained as 5.48 centimeter. So if we compare these two values, 5.5 and 5.48, see, our measurement is very close to the actual value. Okay, the length that we have obtained using the scale is very close to 5.5. 5.48 is almost equal to 5.5 centimeter. So this is called accuracy, how close we are measuring the values to the actual value is known as its accuracy. So it is the measure of accuracy, always measures the degree of closeness of the calculated values and the actual values. How close these two values are is known as accuracy. Fine. Then next thing is precision. So what is the meaning of precision? Precision means closeness of the two measured values. See, the precision has nothing to do with the actual value. Okay, so first time we have measured, we obtained some value. Second time we have measured, we obtain another value. But the two values, if the two values are very close to each other, it may not be the actual value also, then we say that it is precision. Or second definition, it is the refinement process. Refinement means every time we keep on taking the values that we are calculating, they will appear very close to the previous one. For example, let's say this is a pencil again, and we want to measure the length of a pencil using the metric scale. Okay, and then it is given to us that the length of a pencil is 5.5 centimeter, which is the actual length of the pencil. So actual length of the pencil is 5.5 centimeter. Okay, then we measured it with the help of a scale. So the first value we obtained is 3.48. Now you can see that the first measured values of us is very different from the actual value, right? So the first value is 3.48 centimeter. Then we measured it for the second time to check. Again we are getting 3.49 centimeter. Okay, so still you can see the second measurement is different from the actual length of the pencil. So we decided to measure it for the third time, and we obtained a value as 3.52 centimeter. So this is called precision actually. See, all the three values that we have measured, the three values that we obtained using our scale, all the three values are very close to each other. So remember, precision has nothing to do with the actual value. Okay, this is the actual length of the pencil, but we tried to measure it three times. So these three measurements are very close to each other. See, 48, 49 and 52, they are very close. So our measurements are very precise. Just a second.